what is a sticky bit? As I told you previously, when there is a sticky bit permission applied to a directory, then even if there is a full permission to the all users, no one user can delete other users data. Okay, no one user can delete other users data. Here you can see this is a directory I have created sticky bit and given full permission. You can see 777 I have given full permission, and in that sticky bit if you will check, you can see two files are created. One file is created Bob, another is created Duke, and you can also see here owner is Bob, group owner is also Bob. That means this file is created by the Bob user, and this Duke file is also created by the Duke user, because the file owner is Duke and group owner is also Duke. Okay, now here you can see sticky bit is not applied. So even if there is only read and write permission, you can see here if we will use id command, you can see here user is Duke. Okay, now we will try to delete the Bob users file. Using the Duke user, we will try to delete the Bob users file. rm Bob, asking for my confirmation. Given confirmation, you can see Duke user can able to delete the Bob users file. So same you can check with Bob user. If you check id, user is Bob. Okay, now we'll try to delete the Duke users file. rm Duke. You can see sticky bit is not applied and one user can delete other users file. Okay, it is possible when there is no sticky bit permission applied. Now what we will do, we will create new files with the users Bob, bob.txt. Bob user created one file. Then using the Duke also we will create a file. Both files are created. One file is created by Bob user, another file is created by Duke user. Now we'll apply the sticky bit. To apply the sticky bit permission, the command is chmod +t, then directory name. You can see previously this is the permission, and now you can see permission changed. Like here you can see in place of X there is a small t. So here one point we need to remember, when there is a execute permission applied to a directory and sticky bit is applied, then the sticky bit permission will show like small t, and when there is a execute permission are not there and sticky bit applied, the sticky bit permission will come as a format of capital T. Please remember, whenever there is a interview will ask you what is the difference between small t and capital T. When there is a execute permission, sticky bit will appear as small t. When there is a no execute permission, sticky bit will come as a capital T. Okay, now you can see sticky bit applied. Now we will try to delete one user's file by another user. Clear the screen. Then you can see now we are in Duke users login. Try to delete the Bob users file. rm bob.txt, asking for my confirmation, give y, operation not permitted. Now similarly try with Bob user. rm give permission, operation not permitted. So this is the work of the sticky bit. Means whenever there is a sticky bit applied, no user can able to delete or modify other users data. They can access, they can read, but they cannot delete. Okay, and the common example is /tmp. /tmp is a common example of, you can see this is tmp and sticky bit is already applied. This is the common example. Interview will ask you what is a sticky bit and what is the use case. Use case means /tmp. /tmp is the use case. And what is the difference between small t and capital?
Use case is not understood.
Use case means temp is a directory where all users can read and write other users data. Okay, so they cannot delete. They can read, but they cannot delete. And when the OSS comes, already sticky bit is applied to the temp bit.
Okay.
Because temp is the common directory for all.
Defaultly, defaultly only for the temp.
Default sticky bit permission applied to the TM directory.
Okay.
Because temp is the common directory for all users.
Okay.
Okay.
Root
So this
user
is
can delete,
about,
right, sir?
sorry,
Root user can delete, right?
root
After
user can delete. Root user can delete because
if
root is the super
sticky
user.
bits, if sticky bits when it applied also, root user can delete, right?
Yes, root user can delete because he is the super user.
Okay.
Okay. So this is about the sticky bit.
Okay. Sir, that capital T I'm not understanding.
Capital T. You
This one.
can see,
Yeah.
okay, you can see if the permission is read, write, execute, read, write, execute, read, write, execute. Okay. Now we have applied the sticky bit permission. So whenever we apply the sticky bit permission, the AX will be replaced with small t. But when there is permission, read, write, execute, read, write, read, write, execute permission not there. So whenever we will apply the sticky bit, it will come as the capital T because execute permission is not there. Whenever there is a execute permission, sticky bit will come as a small t. Okay. Small t means sticky bit is applied as well as execute permission also there.